We were seriously impressed when WeCreat launched the original laser engraver, the WeCreat Vision. With its auto-rising platform, interchangeable heads, and conveyor attachment, Vision opened up so many new possibilities for crafters.
So back in 2019, we began with vinyl cutting machines, and we did pretty well on Etsy and at local craft shows. But the dimensional things we've been able to create with Vision has helped us expand our business exponentially, to the point where we both quit our day jobs and we craft full-time, making beautiful things like this.
A few months ago, WeCreat reached out again and told us they did something even cooler. Introducing the WeCreat Vista, a compact yet incredibly powerful laser designed for precision and engraving.
It has a 16.34 by 11.42 work area, standard A3 size, making it the largest working area for any diode laser in this category. And it is expandable. You can work with materials up to 137 inches long with the optional conveyor attachment. And although WeCreat's website said Vista can cut materials up to 1.5 inches thick, let's be real. With 10 watts, you're lucky if you can cut 1/8 of an inch or 3mm MDF in one pass. Now, we're not denying that it can be done, but for something that's 38 millimeters thick, plan on spending about a day or two waiting for it to finish. We did verify the Vista can engrave 40-ounce tumblers up to 6.5 inches wide without risers.
The WeCreat Vista is the first laser engraver with a flip laser. It has a laser head that rotates 90 degrees. With no tools and with a twist of a couple of screws, you can rotate the laser head from engraving on flat materials to engraving on tumblers.
The Vista comes with a top view camera that allows for precise alignment and scanning for minimal material waste. Competing lasers in this category, X-Tool M1 Ultra, say to do the size of the machine, they can't put a camera in it.
There are 2 laser modules available with the Vista, a 10-watt diode laser for engraving and cutting wood and certain types of acrylic. And there's a 2-watt IR laser for engraving on most metals and plastics.
Vista is an FDA Class 1 laser with a metal fire retardant design, a blue light filter so no safety goggles are required, and a flame detection auto shutoff feature.
WeCreat Make It Softer is free, fairly powerful, and I found it pretty easy to use. Vista also works with light burn, but we haven't tested that extensively yet. And the best part, the price is on point. The WeCreat Vista is perfect for anyone looking for a compact, capable, and user-friendly laser engraver. Have questions? Let us know in the comments. Interested in buying one? Use our affiliate link in the description below. This helps support our channel so we can continue to bring you awesome videos like this one. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss new content we create. Get it? Thanks for watching and happy crafting.